So good evening everybody. Welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. In the morning session we have completed the problems on maxima and minima, and still now we need to complete this chapter today, so that tomorrow we need to start a new chapter. Okay, actually it ought to be started by 4:30. So 1 minute. Okay, so due to our failure, actually we were not able to give the live streaming by 4:30, and so it has been rescheduled to 8 o'clock. So now we may hope so it may continue. Definitely still joining. Okay, Prudvi Nandini. Okay, right. Srinivas Rao. Okay, sound I don't have the idea. Okay, it may be rectified. Okay, it may be rectified. Right. Okay, right. So let us start the problem now. Okay, here I increase the volume up to 100%. Okay, we may get it now. Okay, right, you may get it later, don't worry. Okay, so now next question. Let us move to the next question now. '77. Question number 77. Question number 77. A tangent drawn to the ellipse x square by 25 plus y square by 16 equals to 1, so that the part intercepted the part intercepted by the axis is minimum. The length of the length of okay the length of the length of this part of the tangent is part of the tangent is. First read the question. Okay, so now the first option is 12, second option is 8, third option is 9, fourth option is 10. This is the question. See, a tangent drawn to the ellipse x square by 25 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1, so that the part intercepted by the axis is minimum. That length of this part of the tangent we need to find out. So in order to find out this one, actually we require here we need three concepts. What are the three concepts? Means equation of the tangent to the ellipse x square by 25 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1 at any point. At any point means better you take parametric form. Parametric form means that will be in the form of x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta equals to 1. Understood now? So after that we need to find out the tangent cuts x-axis, for example at a, y-axis at b, then distance from a to b is minimum. So we need to minimize AB, and after that the length of that part we need to evaluate it. So that means now first let us move to the picture. Let us draw the diagram for this one. See now, okay, this is an ellipse. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. Okay. Say x. This is x dash. Say this is y. This will be y dash. This is actually major axis. This will be the minor axis. So let us draw a tangent like this. You draw a tangent. Okay. A tangent is drawn. It cuts x-axis at A. Suppose y-axis at B. Now we need to find out AB. Length of AB we need to find out. So that means, for example, let us say this point is P. So now the equation of the curve is x square by 25 plus y square by 16 equals to 1. Am I correct now? This is the equation of the ellipse. This is the equation of the ellipse. This equal to 1. Here a equals to a square is equal to 25, a equals to 5, b equals to 4. Now the point on this one, the p coordinates will be a cos theta, that means 5 cos theta, comma 4 sin theta. 4 sin theta. These are the p coordinates now. So that means now here equation of the tangent you need to write. Equation of the tangent at p of theta, parametric form. That is, we know x by a cos theta plus y by b sin theta equals to 1. Substitute here, a means 5, b means 4. That means we can write like this: x by 5 cos theta, x by 5 cos theta plus y by 4 sin theta equals to 1. So this can be written like this: x by 5 sec theta plus y by 4 cosec theta is equal to 1. So which is in the form of x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Intercept form. So intercept form means this is x-intercept, this is y-intercept. So for example, if you say this origin, this will be 5 sec theta. So this will be, OB will be 4 cosec theta. Now we can find out AB. So that means AB is equal to, this is actually right angle triangle. So we get AB square is equal to Pythagoras theorem we can apply, OA square plus OB square. OA square plus OB square, you can write it. OA square means actually 25 secant square theta plus 16 cosecant square theta. 16 cosecant square theta. Okay. So now we need to find out AB. AB is equal to root over 25 secant square theta plus 16 cosecant square theta. Now we need to find out here, actually one thing remember, what we need to find out, the minimum of this value, minimum of this one, minimum, to get AB minimum, AB minimum. So that means now the minimum of this one is given by, we have one formula, you remember, a square secant square x plus b square cosecant square x, minimum value is, here you will get like this now, a plus b whole square. You remember one thing. So that's why here a means how much? A square is equal to, a is 5 only here, b is 4. So that's why AB minimum is equal to minimum length, AB, length of the minimum intercept is equal to root of, you will be getting here a plus b whole square right down. So that equal to a plus b. A plus b means a equals to 5, b is equal to 4. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. So answer is actually here 9. So that means third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. Already increased to 100. Okay, now, so that means actually the tangent drawn to the ellipse x square by 25 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1, so that the part intercepted by the axis is minimum, The length of this intercept of the tangent is, we can remember like this. Already we have done there. Here a square is equal to 25. So a equals to 5. B square is equal to 16. So b is equal to 4. So directly we can, now we can, this problem make use of length of intercept, which is minimum, is equal to a plus b. So that is equal to 9. So third option is the right option. So once again, if you want to, you check the solution. You can check the solution once again. So this is the, actually I derived the formula for you. I derived the formula. You need to remember this formula, that's all. So you need to remember this formula. A plus b. Here a is 5, b is 4. A plus b is equal to 9. Enough. This you need to remember. That's why only here I explain direct one. So this is to be applied for this problem. Okay. Now let us move to the next problem. Okay. 78 problem. 78. So though we won't get maximum, there only minimum cases only. The minimum only we have to buy. Because they are those perfect squares. A straight line through the point 3 comma 4 in the first quadrant, meets the axis at A and B, then the minimum area of triangle OAB is in centimeter square. First option 12, second option 18, third option is 24, fourth option is 30. So this is the problem. So now a straight line through the point 3 comma 4 in the first quadrant meets the axis at A and B, then the minimum area of triangle OAB. That means the minimum area of the triangle formed by the line with the coordinate axis we need to find out. So we need to find out. Okay, now you can check now. 1 minute. It's clear. It's clear now. It's clear. Okay. One minute. Right. Okay. So now, right. So now here see the question. For example, let us take the coordinate axis like this. Okay. This is x-axis. This is x dash. Say this is y. This is y dash. So now a line cuts the x-axis and y-axis like this. Okay. For example, at A, at B, this is the origin. Oh, here right angle. Now P is the point. It passes through the P3, 4. It passes through P of 3, 4. Right. So now what we need to find out means the minimum area of this triangle we need to find out. For example, here let us say A is equal to A, 0, B equals to 0, B. 0, B. So now the equation of the line will be equation of the line. Equation of the line is x by A plus y by B equals to 1. Am I correct now? It passes through it passes through P3, 4. That means this point should satisfy this equation. So we get now 3 by A plus 4 by B equals to 1. So now let us simplify this one now. Taking AB LCM, we get 3B plus 4A equal to AB. Now 4A equals to AB minus 3B. Take B common, we have A minus 3. So B is equal to, in terms of A we can write, that is 4A by A minus 3. 4A by A minus 3. Now we need to actually minimize this area of the triangle. Now area of the triangle we need to find out. So delta is equal to, this will be A, this will be B. Because these coordinates are A, 0, so these coordinates are 0, B. Understood now? This is equal to, we can write of mod AB. A into B right down, of AB. So that means actually in the place of B you can replace this value 4A by A minus 3. So let us come here now. So we have delta is equal to of AB. Okay. So here of multiplied by A multiplied by B. What is the value of B? B equal to 4A by A minus 3. 4A by A minus 3. 4A by A minus 3. So this we can write now 2A by 2A square by A minus 3. Suppose let us say this is S, no problem. For minimum maximum let us find out derivative. So ds by dA with respect to A. Here 2 common. This will be actually U by V method. So A minus 3 whole square. A minus 3 into derivative of A square is 2A with respect to A minus A square into derivative of A minus 3 is 1. So now this equals to 2 times. You can write 2A square minus 6A minus A square upon A minus 3 whole square. Understood now? So that means, so next we get like this. For S minimum, ds by dx dA equals to 0. So that means actually this will be equated to 0 because 2 by A minus 3 whole square goes that side, that becomes 0 itself only. 2A square minus A square. A square, you get A square minus 6A equals to 0. So A square equals to 6A because A does not equal to 0. So that's why you get A is equal to 6. Now we need to find out B value now. So let us find out B value. So what is the B value here? You check it now. B value is 4A by A minus 3. 4A by A minus 3. So A stands for 6. 24 by 3. 8. We know A value and B value. Therefore, S minimum is equal to half into A into B. That means half into 6 into 8. 2 3 ja. So 24 square units. This is the answer. So third one is the option. Right. So now let us move to the next question. 79th question. 79th question. Okay. Right. The volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius 9 centimeter is. The volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius 9 centimeters is. So that means actually you can differentiate more than actually you can differentiate it, no problem. So yes, these problems are actually theoretical problems. Theoretical problems means based on geometry concepts and everything will be there. Definitely these problems will be lengthy. Right. So next, first option, 32 by 3 pi cubic centimeter. Second option, 72 pi cubic centimeter. Third option, 288 pi cubic centimeter. Fourth option, 288 pi by 3 cubic centimeter. So for all problems actually it may be standard problems, but how many standard problems can you remember using it now? So better you go for my suggestion is concept as well as sometimes shortcuts. Okay. CC, 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 CC. Okay. The volume of the largest cone that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius 9 centimeters. So if you want to remember the shortcut, you do one thing. Instead of 9, you put R and find out the largest volume. That becomes the formula. That's all. But I will explain the formulation here. Largest cone which is inscribed in a sphere. That means take a circle. In that inscribe a cone. A cone is inscribed like this. So this will be height. This will be base radius. Say height. Say for example this is center. This will be R. Okay. If you join, for example, say this is A, this is O, this is B. Join OB. OB will be the radius 9 centimeters. This some point, say C, center C. This is also 9. CA is equal to also 9. This OC will be, you remember, for example, let us say AO is equal to H. The OC becomes H minus 9. H minus 9. So in this right angle triangle, we can relate like this. So BC square is equal to OC square plus OB square. BC square means 81. OC square. OC square is equal to H minus 9 whole square plus OB square. OB square means R square. We can write R square is equal to 81 minus H minus 9 whole square. This is the relation between that one. Understood now? Okay. This we can write now 81 minus H square minus 18H plus 81 brackets of 81 minus h square plus 18h minus 81 plus 81 minus 81 gets cancelled. We have 18h minus h square. This is the r square value. This is the r square value. So what you need to find out? Volume of the largest cone. So volume is to be maximized. Volume of this one. So let us find out the volume of the volume. So volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi r square h. Pi r square h. R square is equal to how much? 18h minus h square. You remember this one. 18h minus h square. 18h r square is equal to 18h minus h square. Am I correct now? Yes. So now this can be written pi by 3 in the place of r square 18h minus h square of h. This we can write pi by 3 into 18h square minus h cube. So let us find out dv by dh. That is equal to pi by 3 into differentiation of h square is 2h. That is 36h minus 3h square. So for maximum dv by dh is equal to 0. So that means this will be 0. 36h equal to 3h square. Here h cancel. H equals to 12. Now we got h value. Now here see r square is equal to now V maximum you need to find out. V maximum. See V maximum is equal to H is equal to 12. Let us substitute here now. Let us substitute. H is equal to how much we got now? So 12. We need to find out here R value. See R square is equal to 18 into 12 minus 12 square. Take 12 common. We have 18 minus 12. That is 12 into 6. That is 72. Now V maximum is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So that means 1 by 3 pi into r square is 72, h is 12. Now 3 4 ja. 4 into 72. 4 2 ja 8. 4 7 ja 288. 288 pi is the answer. So third option is the right option. Third option is the right option. Not fourth option. Don't expect the answer. Right. So these questions are all are theoretical questions. Better you practice it. Because generally one may lose the marks here itself only. Nobody will explain all these questions. Only simple problems only you may be discussing generally. Okay. Question number 80. 1 minute. One minute. I will add the papers. Okay, what is the question number now? What is the question number? What is the question number? Anybody? Okay, 80, right. 80, height of the cylinder, height of the cylinder of maximum value that can be inscribed in a sphere of radius 12 centimeters is. This is also, you can actually generalize this problem by taking radius is equal to r centimeters. So you can generalize and you can remember for that one also instead of doing the problem. First option is 8 root 3 centimeters. Second option 8 centimeters. Third option 12 root 3 centimeters. Fourth option is 24 centimeters. The height of the cylinder we need to find out. Height of the h value of the cylinder of maximum, not value. This will be volume, maximum value. That can be inscribed in a sphere of radius 12 centimeters. So that means actually this is circle in that a cylinder has been inscribed. Okay, this is the height of the cylinder. This is the base radius of the cylinder. Suppose this is the center of the sphere. You join this one. This will be radius of the sphere 12. So this will be, see, for example, this will be the height. Center means this will be h by 2 and this will be r. This is a right angle triangle. So we get the relation like this. First we need to establish relation between small r and small h. Here r square plus h square by 4 equals to 144. As we need to find out h value, let us write r square. R square is equal to 144 minus h square by 4. Say equation 1. Now volume of the cylinder write down, that V is equal to pi r square h. So that means pi into r square means 144 minus h square by 4 into h. Now this is pi multiplied by 144h minus h cube by 4. Here we need to do dv by dh for v maximum. dv by dh is equal to, we get pi into 144 into h differentiation 1, h cube is 3h square by 4. So for maximum, for v maximum, dv by dh equals to 0. dv by dh is equal to 0 means this must be 0. So we get 144 minus 3h square by 4 is equal to 0 means 3h square by 4. So that means actually here you get h square is equal to 4 into 144 by 3. 3 4 ja 12, 3 8 ja. How much you will be getting now here? H will be h equals to square root of 4 is 2 square root of 48. 16 into 3. 16 into 3 means 4 root 3. H will be 8 root 3. So that's all answer. So first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Because in this case actually we did not ask any maximum value, only height. Height has been evaluated here. Right. '81. A box of maximum value with open top is to be made out of a square tin sheet of each side 6 feet in length by cutting out small squares from the four corners of the sheet then the height of the box is first option 2, second option 1, third option is 1 by 2, fourth option is 3 by 2. This is the question. Okay, option 1, 2. This question is very, very important and also actually very lengthy problem, but moreover I give the shortcut to you, don't worry. I'll give the shortcut. So all of you note down the shortcut. All of you note down the shortcut now. I'll give the shortcut. So how to write the shortcut means you need to write the shortcut like this. Remember, a box of maximum value with open top is to be made out of a rectangle tin sheet whose dimensions are actually A and B. By cutting out small squares from the four corners of the sheet, then height of the box. Here dimensions I have taken, instead of square here, rectangle sheet I have taken. If the rectangle sheet dimensions are small a and small b, then if by cutting the small squares from the corners of the sheet, then height of the sheet is given by the formula 1/6 of, this is the shortcut, a plus b minus of root of a square plus b square minus ab. Here in this case, remember, instead of rectangle, here we have square. Square means a equals to b. That means how much given here? 6 feet. So that means actually here you take first a is equal to b. Put here in this one. What do you get now? 1/6 of a plus a is 2a minus root of a square plus b square minus a into a square. A square gets cancelled. This will be, sorry, this is in the place of a b write down. This will be b square. So b square gets cancelled. We have here a square. Let me write clearly. A square minus b square. So this will be 2a minus a by 6. But a is equal to how much given in the problem? 6 feet. In the place of a 6 write down. 6/6 equals to 1 feet. This is the answer. Second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. I have given the formula for the rectangular sheet, but the question is given for square sheet. Square sheet means length breadth are equal. So in the place of b, I substituted a, so that I got h is equal to a/6. Here a is equal to 6, so that means height of the box will be 1 feet. So this question may be very important question. Please once again practice this question. So whenever shortcuts are there, definitely I will explain the shortcuts. If the process, yes, Madhurima, you need process. Process means actually what happens means, let me explain. First we need to find out dimensions of the box. Dimensions of the box means here becomes 6 minus 2x, 6 minus 2x, and height will be x. Then volume of the box is given by length into breadth into height. X into 6 minus 2x, 6 minus 2x. We get a cubic equation. And differentiate and equate to 0, you get x value is equal to 1. So that method is to be adopted. #82. This is also very important problem and standard result. Better remember, but I do the process for this one, don't worry. Semi-vertical. Today is very important class. Semi-vertical angle of the cone of maximum value maximum value and of given slant height height. Is, so first option sine inverse root of 1 by 3, second option tan inverse root 2, third option is tan inverse 1 by root 2, fourth one is cos inverse 1 by root 3. Okay, this is the question. So now the classes will be continued. Just I started by 8 o'clock. Today I need to complete this chapter because tomorrow I need to start new chapter. The semi-vertical angle of the cone of maximum value given slant height. Here slant height is constant, fixed. So that means actually let us consider a cone. This is the cone. This is regular cone only, but I am not able to draw perfectly. Don't worry. Say A, this is O, this is B. Slant height means L. This is given constant because L is constant. Here given slant height. Here H and R are varying. Base radius R. This is the semi-vertical angle theta. Theta we need to find out. Understood now here. So we have the relation actually. This is a right angle triangle. Relation between L, H, R is, we can write H square plus R square is equal to L square. Where R square is equal to, we can write L square minus H square. Say equation 1. Now we need to maximize the volume. Volume of the cone is given by 1/3 of pi r square h. 1/3 of the cylinder. Here r square means you substitute this value. So pi by 3 into r square means L square minus h square of h. This equal to pi by 3 is constant, keep like this only. L square h minus h cube. So now you do one thing, dv by dh. Let us find out. dv by dh means pi by 3 into L square constant, h differentiation 1 minus h cube differentiation is 3h square. So now dv by dh is equal to 0. This cannot be 0. So we get L square is equal to 3h square. L square minus h square is equal to 3h square. Now r square find out. So r square is equal to, okay, L square is equal to 3h square. What is the r square value? From 1 to h square. Now L equals to root 3h, r equal to, we have root 2h. We need to find out theta value. From this triangle define tan theta. What is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, r by h. See very clear here, r is equal to root 2h by h. H gets cancelled. Therefore theta is equal to tan inverse of root 2. This is standard result. Standard result. Remember. So second is the right option. Yes, this problem is there in IP. Yes, this problem is there in IP. Okay. Yes, R by H. '83 problem. 83. Okay. Area of the greatest rectangle that can be inscribed in the ellipse by b square equals to 1 is. Okay, so I will check my network is good, perfect. Okay, so now first option is 2ab, second option ab, third option root ab, fourth one is a by b. The area of the greatest rectangle that can be inscribed in the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 is. You need to find out. So that means actually here see, take the coordinate axis. So now this is ellipse. Say this is a, this will be a dash, b, and this will be b dash. This is center of the ellipse, say O. Now a rectangle is inscribed here, greatest rectangle, say P, Q, R, S. See, any point on the ellipse can be taken as R point is A cos theta comma B sin theta, parametric equations. So that means first we shall find out actually here length of the rectangle. Length of the rectangle means I will explain. This length is equal to, this equals to A cos theta, and this length will be B sin theta. Now length of the rectangle is equal to PQ becomes, this is A cos theta, this is also A cos theta, 2A cos theta. Now breadth is QR. QR is equal to, this will be B sin theta, this is also B sin theta, 2B sin theta. Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth, that's equal to 4AB sin theta cos theta. So this we can write 2 times AB sin 2 theta, we can write it. What we can find out? A maximum area. What is the maximum value of sin 2 theta? That will be 1. So 2AB. Answer is 2AB. So first option will be the right option. Okay, now next problem. Problem number 84. Right. A normal is drawn to the ellipse x square by 25 plus y square by 16 equals to 1. The maximum distance of the normal from the center is center of the ellipse is first option 2, second option is 9, third option is 1, fourth option is 3. So this is the question. So don't prepare for the previous year question papers, they may not appear. So better you need to practice, that's all, because you have plenty of time. So last you need to prepare. Normal is drawn to the ellipse x square by 25 plus y square by 16 is equal to 1. The maximum distance of the normal to this ellipse from the center. Center means 0, 0. First let us find out equation of the normal. Equation of the normal at P of theta parametric form is ax by cos theta minus by by sin theta equals to a square minus b square. Am I correct? Right. So next, here the equation of the normal becomes a stands for a square is equal to 25, b stands for b square is equal to 16, a stands for 5, b stands for 4. Here 5x by cos theta. So minus 4y by sin theta equal to a square minus b square, 25 minus 16. So this equation can be rewritten as like this: 5 sec theta x minus 4 cosec theta y equals to 9, or minus 9 is equal to 0. So what we need to find out now? Maximum perpendicular distance from origin, center. From center means C 0, 0 equal to perpendicular distance, constant term. What is that? Minus 9. Mod minus 9 by root of, this will be A means 5 sec theta, B means minus 4 sec theta. Here you get 25 secant square theta plus 16 cosecant square theta. Already we have discussed. See the minimum value of this one. So I will write here minimum of a square secant square x plus b square cosecant square x. Already one of the problem we have discussed, equal to a plus b whole square. Here actually, so here we get now maximum perpendicular distance equals to 9 divided by a plus b whole square. A equals to how much? 5. Actually a square this is b square. 5 plus 4 whole square. 5 plus 4 whole square is equal to how much? Root of 9 square. 9 by 9. So 1. So that means third option is the right option. Third option. Now 85th problem. Actually 85th problem ought to be discussed in quadratic expressions. So in quadratic expression we have forgotten, but let it be done here. This is very very important. If alpha comma beta are the roots of x square minus of a minus 2x minus of a plus 1 equals to 0, where a is a variable, then maximum, then minimum value of alpha square plus beta square. So this is the question. First option 1, second option 3, third option 5, fourth option is 7. So this is the question. Okay, right. Alpha beta are the roots of x square minus of a minus 2x plus a plus 1 is equal to 0, where a is the variable. Then minimum value of alpha square plus beta square we need to find out. That means as alpha beta are the roots of a quadratic equation, yes, Eamcet is July 27th. We have plenty of time. So up to June itself only we shall complete total syllabus. Don't worry. Right. So now x square minus of a minus 2x minus of a plus 1 equals to 0 has two roots alpha beta. Let us find out sum of the roots. That is equal to a minus 2. Am I correct? Minus x coefficient by x square coefficient. Alpha beta, that is constant term by x square coefficient, minus of a plus 1. So actually we have one theorem that was given by the, in Russian textbooks generally we will find out that one, that is Viates theorem. Viates theorem means actually x square coefficient. Monic quadratic equation means alpha plus beta is minus x coefficient, alpha beta is equal to simple constant. That's all. So we need to find out alpha square plus beta square. Alpha square plus beta square means we have the important algebraic formula, alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So let it be replaced, equals to alpha plus beta whole square is a minus 2 whole square and minus 2 times minus into minus plus 2 times a plus 1. Let it be simplified. A square minus 4a plus 4 plus 2a plus 2. This will be a square minus 2a plus 6. Now actually minimum of this one we need to find out. So we have the formula. So minimum means 4ac, this is a quadratic expression, 4ac minus b square by, but actually this is quadratic in a, but we can apply that formula. Alpha square plus beta square minimum equals to 4ac. A means a square coefficient 1, c is 6, minus b square means a coefficient 4 by 4. So we can take 4 common. 6 minus 1 by 4. 4 gets cancelled. So 5. Answer is third option is the right option. Check Prasanna, your answer. Okay. Eighty-sixth question. The maximum value of the area of the triangle with vertices a comma 0, a cos theta, b sin theta, and a cos theta minus b sin theta is first option 3 root 3 ab by 4, second option 3 root of ab, second option root of 3ab by 4, third option root of 3ab. Simply first find out actually here the area of the triangle formed by these 3 points a comma 0, a cos theta comma b sin theta, and a cos theta comma b sin theta, then maximize that area. So that means actually you can find out, say S or delta of mod of, you can write x1 a, x2 a cos theta. This is called staircase method. A cos theta, again a write down x1 x2 x3 x1. Similarly y1 y2 y3 and next y1. cross multiplication like this. Okay, so this direction is plus, this direction minus. So you will be getting of mod of AB sin theta minus 0 minus AB sin theta cos theta minus AB sin theta cos theta. This will be, wait now, AB sin theta, right. So next we have this one, A cos theta into 0, 1 minute, AB sin theta minus 0, this will be minus AB sin theta cos theta, and next minus AB sin theta cos theta, right. Okay, this will be how much? Option numbers are wrong. Why? Okay, I will check it once again. Okay, I will check it once again. See A cos theta, A cos theta, A 0, B sin theta minus B sin theta 0. So of det of AB sin theta minus 0 minus AB sin theta cos theta, this will be minus AB sin theta cos theta. Okay, plus 0 plus AB sin theta. Okay, right. This will be of, you will be getting 2AB sin theta minus 2AB sin theta and cos theta. This you will be getting. Okay. So next now you can take out 2AB sin theta common. 2 gets cancelled. We have AB sin theta common. We have 1 minus cos theta. Okay. This we can write now AB into 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2. This will be 2 into 2, 4. 4AB sin cube theta by 2 and cos theta by 2. So we have one shortcut. Theta by 2 is equal, this will be maximum, tan inverse of root m by n. M is 3, n is 1. Tan inverse root 3. This will be 30 degrees. So theta equals to how much? 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 means 120. So now here you need to find out S maximum. S maximum is equal to 4AB into, here sin actually 2 pi by 3, sin 60. Sin 60 is equal to how much? Root 3 by 2 whole cube. Write down here. Cos 60 is equal to how much? We have 1 by 2. This will be 4AB into 3 root 3 by 8 2 cube into 1 by 2. So 4 1 ja 4 2 ja. This will be 3 root 3 by 4 AB. So that means first option is the right option. First option is the right option. Okay. Right. 87. 87. Question number 87. This is very, very important problem. This is important problem. The point on the parabola y is equal to x square plus 7x plus 2, which is closest to the straight line y equals to 3x minus 3 is first option minus 1 comma minus 4, second option minus 2 comma minus 8, third option 1 comma 10, fourth option 0 comma 2. So this is the question. Right, thank you. The point on the parabola y is equal to x square plus 7x plus 2, which is closest to the straight line y is equal to 3x minus 3. The point on the parabola means actually you can do options verifications, you can do it. If only one of the option will satisfy the parabola, stop. That will be the answer. Or otherwise, I will tell you one more shortcut technique. Whenever this parabola or any curve or straight line is given like this, you apply this shortcut. What is the shortcut means? Dy by dx of curve, okay, equal to dy by dx of line. This is the very, very important shortcut you need to apply. So dy by dx of curve is 2x plus 7 equal to dy by dx of line is 3. So 2x is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 2. Already 1 point obtained. Put this x is equal to minus 2 in this one. So y equals to 4 minus 14 plus 2. So 6 minus 14. That will be minus 8. So required point is x comma y is equal to minus 2 comma minus 8. So second option is the right option. Understood now? It's shortcut. You may not find in, I don't say like that actually. Your teachers might have thought this shortcut, or it may be available some other ways also. But I don't claim it's my shortcut. Okay. 88. If x comma y comma z comma t greater than 0, they are strictly positive, and x into y into z into t equals to 81, then the minimum value of x plus 2y plus z plus 8t is first option 2, second option 24, third option is 36, fourth option is 12. This is the question. Right. Thank you, Dhruvansh. Thank you. Right. If x comma y comma z comma t greater than 0 and x into y into z into t is equal to 81, then minimum value of x plus 2y plus z plus 8t is. For this one we need to apply arithmetic and geometric inequality. We need to apply. I will explain. What is arithmetic AM GM inequality? For example, let us say this is ABCD. Arithmetic mean of ABCD, A plus B plus C plus D by 4 is greater than or equal to its geometric mean, that is fourth root of A into B into C into D. That's why substituting these values, x plus 2y plus z plus 8t upon 4 is greater than or equal to fourth root of x into 2y into z into 8t. So now x plus 2y plus z plus 8t is greater than or equal to 4 times fourth root of 16 into x into y into z into t, that is 81 given, 81. So greater than or equal to 4 into fourth root of 16 is 2 power 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4, 2 fourth root of 81, 3 power 4 whole to the power of 1 by 4, 3 into 2, 6 into 2, 24. This will be always greater than or equal to 24. That means it take the values from 24, 25, 26, 27 like that. The minimum value is 24. So second option is the right option. Okay. So now the maxima and minima chapter has been completed. So for the sake of you people only, I continued. Even I don't have the my actually health is not supporting, even though actually I have taken the class, because I need to complete today. I decided this chapter. So tomorrow the new chapter will be continued. Okay. So thank you one and all. Bye. See you.